Hello students, as we have already read in the first video about the comparison of adjective, now we are going to read more rules about this. When we talk about two things, we can compare them, we can see if they are the same or different. Perhaps they are the same in some ways or different in other ways. We can use comparative adjective to describe the differences. The first difference we will read between few, a few, and the few. We use the word few when we want to talk about quantity of something. Usually, we use it when we want to talk about small quantity. Few means not many, it has a negative meaning. You can say hardly any. A few means is an affirmative adjective, it means some. The few stands for not many, but all that there. Means whatever the person have, all the things. For examples, few people can keep secrets. He asked me to speak a few words, means some words. He lost the few friends he had, means hardly any friends he had, and whatever he had lost them. So this was the difference between a few, the few, and few. In the same way, we have in the next slide the difference between little and a little. Little and a little follow the same pattern as few versus a few. The only difference is that we use few and a few with the countable noun in the plural form, and we use little and a little with uncountable nouns. This is very important difference which we can use. Little has negative meaning. It has meaning hardly any, not much. A little has a positive meaning. It means some, though not much. The little means not much, but all that there is. For example, you are a man of little faith. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. The little knowledge of Greek he had helped him. In the next slide, we will read about the difference between to and then. As you know, in the comparative degree, we have to use than after the comparative degree. But some words are there with which we have to use to instead of than. Some Latin words are there, Latin comparative degrees, adjectives are there. For example, inferior, superior, prior, posterior, senior, junior, anterior. These words followed by to. We can use a to infinitive after the prefer word. Whenever we use prefer word, we should use to instead of than or any other word. For example, she she's not keen on coffee. She prefers to drink tea. I prefer tea to coffee. And you can use the example like that. She is superior to me. She is senior to me. I am junior to her. So these are the examples. I hope these things are clear to you. Thank you very much.